Welcome to my channel. Microsoft account gives you easy access to all things digital. Sign in with Microsoft to keep everything that you need in sync on your device. Get free access to Office Online, Outlook, Skype, OneNote, OneDrive. Today, show your custom location account as people user. Show about custom account Windows 10, how to create location account, how to delete location account, how to change password location account, how to remove password login Windows. The clip successful testing with the newest Windows 10 fall update on January 4th, 2018. You management account online. What could you do with your account? Yes, you can to manage with rewards, family, privacy, security, your info, services and subscriptions, payments, devices. Rewards. Get points for doing what you already do. Earn points by searching with Bing and shopping the Microsoft Store. Choose from movies, games, and more. Redeem your points for popular games, movies, apps, or gift cards, and enjoy members-only offers and events. Getting started is easy. Join the rewards program using your Microsoft account and start earning points. It's fun, simple, and free. Family. Shopping with smart limits. Add money anytime to your kids' Microsoft accounts. They won't need your credit card, and we'll put age limits on their purchases. Connect with your family anywhere. Jump on a group video call, or send a quick message to everyone in the family chat that's set up and waiting for you. A window into their digital life. Activity reports let you check in on kids' online activity. If you need to, you can block specific apps, games, or websites. Set good screen time habits. Together, you can talk about good habits and set limits on how much time they can spend with their screens. Privacy. Manage browse data. Clear your search history. View and clear information about your Bing search activity. View and clear browse data that we collect when you use Cortana and Edge. Review your location data. See and clear location data that we collect when you use Microsoft products and services. Edit Cortana's notebook. Manage what Cortana knows about you to provide personalized recommendations. Security. Change your password. Make your password stronger, or change it if you think someone else knows it. Update your security info. Make sure your info is up to date. This is how you'll prove you're you if you ever forget your password. Review recent activity. See when and where you've signed in, and let us know if something looks unusual. Your info. Update once, update everywhere. Change any part of your personal info and it'll be updated on every device and service. Update your photo, personal info, and billing info anytime, in one place, where we contact you. If you use several email addresses or phone numbers, tell us which is the right one to get you info about your Microsoft account. A portal to everything Microsoft. We'll keep your subscription information up to date on your Microsoft account, so you can seamlessly access Xbox, Skype, Office 365, and more. Services and subscriptions. Renewal made easy. All of your subscriptions live in one place. Quickly renew and manage every service that keep you connected and productive. Paying for subscriptions. Update or switch a payment option, or add a new way to pay for a subscription. Free services. Use Office Online including Outlook.com email for free. Get free storage on OneDrive. Automatically be enrolled in the free Microsoft Rewards program, and enjoy free Skype calls. Did we say free? Cancellation. Changed your mind about a subscription? No worries. If you need to stop auto-renewal, get a refund, or cancel, get it done in just a few clicks. Payments. See what you've bought. Your order history page shows every past purchase and details. Look back in time, anytime. Update your payment options. Update your credit card info, add new ways to pay for stuff, or remove old payment options from your account. Redeem gift cards and codes. Redeem your gift cards here so you can shop with fewer clicks in the Microsoft Store. Help with billing. Get answers from support anytime you've got a question. Devices. Find lost devices. If you lose one of your devices or think someone stole it, locate, ring, lock, and erase it. Schedule a repair. Once you register a device, fix it, manage it, and check its repair status. Check reset protection status. Getting a phone from someone else? Check its reset protection status and start clean. Get support. If you're having a problem with a device or just want to learn more about it, we can help. Why do I want create location account? When you upgrade Windows 10, your old account comes with you. When you do a clean install, you make a new account during the process. But what about if you want to add additional local accounts? Millions of Windows users never create secondary accounts on their machines and use their primary administrative account for everything. This is a not-so-secure practice and one most people should get out of the habit of. Creating a secondary account for yourself, so you're not always logged on with administrative privileges, is a great idea and one that significantly increases the security of your machine. Creating separate local accounts for your kids or other users means that they can set things up the way they want, have separate user folders, documents, pictures, and so on, and ensure that those dubious Minecraft downloads they find on shady websites don't infect your account. While you might be inclined to use the Microsoft account for the online features it provides, a standard local account, the kind you had in Windows 7 and previous versions, is great for people who don't want to link their login to Microsoft, and it's a perfect fit for kids who don't need all the extras and might not even have an email address to link to the account in the first place. Let's take a look at the process for creating new local user accounts in Windows 10. Please, following on screen.